What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, we long we short, it doesn't matter where the market is going, it doesn't matter what the market condition, we make money on bull market, we make money on bear market. So before we go to the chart, let's check first the crypto bubbles. And as you can see, we're still on the red day, and SOLANA, so FTT, it really went bad because of the news about SBA and CC. So the fear and greed index, we are still on the extreme fear, and the cryptocurrency CoinGecko, we have Bitcoin, it went up a little bit though for 2.6%, and Ethereum is 9.2%, and BNB is 4.8%, and we have the Cardano, Matic. Actually, they're doing good right now. So let's see, Shiba is 9.5, Doge is 6.7%, Polygon Matic is 32.8%, and yeah, I think it's just doing some bounce right now. The market is just doing a rebound, but let's see the chart, guys. So right now, the price of Bitcoin, it broke on the support level of 17K, and now we might see this would be my last support, guys, for 13K for Bitcoin. So just be careful, guys. Just to let you know, guys, TA just gives you technical advantage to see probabilities, not to predict the future. And all my trades are just all my setups are just based on speculations. So this is not a financial advice. This video is only intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. So, and Ethereum, I saw this head and shoulders pattern, and the price actually did surpass my target here. So, and you guys can check also my Naked Crypto group here on Facebook. So I post some charts here just like this. I posted this one since June 18. And the price of SOLANA will go to $20, and it did. And there's more charts here, guys, since Ethereum, and we have this SOLANA. And SOLANA, this is the last support for the bulls. Actually, I just put this one A1 2 3 4 5, and I predicted this ABC correction here, and I was thinking this is actually would be the $20 would be the bottom, but we never know, guys. There's another support here at $5, so let's see if this one will play it out, or we are already on the bottom. So I put lots of charts here, some news here if you want to visit, and of course I do have a Naked Crypto group also here, and I post all my charts here just to give you an update, and it's for free. So you can visit. If you want to join the group, you can also just message me, and also so join now, guys, while it's still free. I might change my mind. I've been telling you guys since I started the group here. So guys, people are asking me about QNT. At that time, this one is back in October. So you know what? Let's go for a visit. Just like this, Ethereum, somewhere will go down to 12K. Cardano. So people are the members are asking me what like Aptos, Lunacy, Elliott, Bitcoin, all the good stuffs are right here in here, guys. See this one, I started this one, I don't know how long did it's been a while, guys, and I'm doing it for free. ApeCoin, Bitcoin, Cardano. So since this one is from October, I cannot go back anymore from the, I don't know how many months I've been doing this, guys. So anyway, let's visit charts here. So just like this, guys, I said Ethereum is going down somewhere here at 1300, and now Ethereum is right here. It surpassed my target, so now we're here now. Meta, so it's right here now. Let's see if it will go to $124. So but let's see. But anyway, right now it's right here. So Solana, actually I drew this one before this. Seems right here, I post in the group, since the price is right here, and now boom, 24, the price went down here. There you go, guys, boom, just like this. I post this on the group that the price of Solana is still at $35, and now what's the price of Solana? Below $24. So guys, if you want to join the group, just let me know, guys. Comment down below. And if you find this video informative, give me a thumbs up. And for now, I love you. Take care. Bye bye.